Welcome to Dr. Nguyen's YouTube channel. Have you ever heard about mewing? It is a health technique that has taken the internet by storm, promising improved facial structure, better breathing, and even anti-aging benefits. But what exactly is mewing, and how does one do it? Mewing is a technique named after Dr. John Mew, a British orthodontist. It involves the correct positioning of the tongue against the roof of the mouth when at rest. This may sound simple, but the process requires practice and patience. Step 1. The first part of the mewing process involves finding the correct tongue position. Close your mouth and place the entire surface of your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Ensure the tip of your tongue is just behind your front teeth, without touching them. Step 2. Maintain this tongue position as often as possible. The goal is to make this your natural resting tongue position. It may feel unnatural at first, but with consistency, it will become second nature. Step 3. While keeping your tongue in position, ensure your lips are sealed and your teeth are slightly touching or have a small gap, but not clenched. This is the complete mewing posture. Now repeat these steps throughout the day, every day. Mewing is not a quick fix, it's a lifestyle change. Over time, you can expect changes in facial structure, particularly if you start at a young age. It's time to recap. Mewing involves placing the full tongue against the roof of your mouth, keeping your lips sealed and teeth slightly touching or slightly apart. Maintaining this posture as often as possible is crucial. Mewing can bring about several benefits, including improved facial structure, better breathing, and potential anti-aging effects. The technique encourages better oral posture, which can lead to a more defined jawline, improved alignment of the teeth, and improved overall facial symmetry. Moreover, mewing can contribute to better breathing patterns. With the tongue correctly positioned, the airway remains open, promoting nasal breathing, which is healthier than mouth breathing. And the anti-aging benefits? Well, maintaining proper oral posture can prevent the sagging of facial muscles. This can lead to a more youthful appearance over time. In conclusion, mewing is a simple but potentially transformative technique. It's a change in lifestyle that can lead to significant health and aesthetic benefits. So why not give it a try? You might just be surprised by the results.